Farm life. When you live on the farm, your day starts early in the morning. The alarm goes off around 4 a.m. It is always dark outside when we wake up, but the stars are pretty to look at. Some days it feels like your heart needs the jump start. My dog, Bernie, helped me wake up by licking my face. When we go, once, once we get our heart going, we go downstairs and eat a big breakfast. When breakfast is over, we pick up the yard a little and head to the barn. When morning chores are when morning chores are finished, it is time for lunch. After lunch, we work with the groups until dinner. After dinner, we relax from a hard day's work. When we go to bed, then we go to bed and get ready to eat all again in the morning.